Good morning, students. Welcome to your computer class. Hope you all are fine and fit. So, in the previous class, we have discussed about some HTML tags. With the help of them, we can insert our images, we can resize them, we can also create a border over the images using different tags. Also, we have seen some basic HTML tags. As you can see here, we have done the practical of this, how we can insert images to our web page, how we can wrap our text between two images like here we have done. Okay, next you can see top, bottom, middle, how can you just insert images like this. Then how you can create a border over the images, resize them. These all things we had completed. So let's revise them and start our new topic. So as we have seen here, the notepad text editor, we have written some commands using tags img src, then border 5, then for spacing between the text and the image h space, height and width for resizing the image width and height. Then how will you insert the image, the whole path of the image, or directly we can write the name. So as we have seen that we are using the whole path, why don't we directly write the name also? So here also I have given the example that if you insert your image in the same folder where you have saved your HTML file, then you can just write the name only. Here I have given the whole path, and here I have just mentioned the name of the image. Okay, now there is a HR, horizontal rule. We can also adjust the size and width of that, and this you can see in the browser also under the picture, this one. Okay, I hope it will change the color also. COLOR equals to double unit comma blue, Control S and save. See, it changes to blue. Okay, so this line also you can draw with the help of HR tag. Now removing the shade of the ruler for this line. So for this you have to write over here no shade. Okay, no shade, Control S, then refresh it. There is no effect. You have taken the blue color. Okay, remove this color. Now Control S, let's see. Here see, no shade, so it comes to this way. Earlier what happened, if we haven't used that no shade, then see, I am showing you the both the aspects. See, before you have not written anything, there was nothing shown. Okay, it was just taking the background color only. Now what happens? And now when you are using the no shade, then NOSHADE, Control S. See the change. Okay, now changing the color of the rule, I have shown you. You can just write the color code also and color name also. Else what we have seen, inserting images, for images you will write image src. This, yeah, one thing is there, you can just put a background image also. Okay, while we have used the background color, you can also use background image also in the body tag for changing the background instead of color if you want to use any picture. Okay, so what you have to write here, you have to delete this code from here. Instead of bg color, you have to write background image equals to the whole path of the image, or if you have inserted that image in the same folder, then just the name of the image. Okay, here we will write the body background background equals to double inverted comma. Now you can just write the name or you can put a path. Okay, so let's see some images from here. Okay, from this. Okay, okay, I'm just taking the image of create person properties, copy, pasted the path over here, control V, then forward slash, name of the image, and see the format JPG. Okay, the name of the image dot JPG, control S. Now coming to the web browser, click, see, background image has changed. So instead of color you can use the background image also in your web page. You can use any of the images. So just you have to write body background equals to name of the image or path, and when you want to change the color, then you have to put body bg color equals to name of the color or code of that color. I hope clear to you all. Now coming back to the textbook, here you can see border we have seen, horizontal rule also we have seen. Also we have changed that how we can change the color. You can change the color of horizontal rule to improve the appearance of your web page. Okay, remember this thing, to change the appearance of your web page. Okay, so today now we are going to discuss the very interesting topic, links. Okay, how we can create a link in our web page. So any web page can be connected to another, means a one page can be connected to the another web page by creating a link or hyperlink. Links enable users to navigate from one topic to the next on a website. Means if you want to jump on another website, or you think that means if you want something, means some definitions, some word meanings, or some information about any topic, so you have to type a new website in another tab, means another window tab. But here if you have created a link, then you can directly jump to that page by clicking on the link. Simple. So from one website to another, the user clicks the link and the browser opens the destination page. Means at the time you click the link, you will be directly reached to the destination place, means on the page for which you have created your link. Links can be text or images. It can be an image also, it can be a text also, which takes you to the page in which you want to grab the information. Text links typically appear as underlined, differently colored word on a page. Any image on a web page can also be turned into a link. An image can also be turned into a link. So this is a special thing. When a user holds the mouse pointer over the link, the pointer takes the shape of pointing hand. indicating the presence of the active clickable link. Means when you make an image in a link and you place your cursor on that mouse cursor, it will change into a pointing hand. This shows that this is the active clickable link, and whenever you click that image, you just jump to that page from where you can get the information about that image. Hope the image of Elizabeth, Mahatma Gandhi, Tipu Sultan, Taj Mahal, you have just mentioned an image in your web page, and people wants to know many things about Taj Mahal, Elizabeth. So you don't have to write much. You just created a page, another page where you have written all the description about Elizabeth, Taj Mahal, Tipu Sultan, and then you just click on that image and you will just jump to the different page where you have given the description of that image. So easily, or from the net also, if you want to show that the image information you can get on the web, so people don't have to search for that. You just create a link for that site on the image will be clicked and people reach to that website or that page where the information is given about the image. There are two types of link, internal and external links. Internal links are the links to the pages within your own website. Means in your single website you have different pages, number of pages are there. So you have created link for the number of pages. So just click and then you get to the next slide, means the next page. So these links which you create inside your website for different pages in your website, these are internal links. These links can be either absolute or relative. Okay, what is absolute and relative? Okay, so in absolute you will find http colon and backslash. These are written over there before the name of your link name or the website name or the page name. HTTP is there. So include in absolute. Relative links locate web pages within the same directory or subdirectory that can be defined from the current position, such as storebooks.html. If you have store your image link or image storage is in documents, and then documents there is a folder, again the folder there is a subfolder, so there is a path. So you can, instead of writing HTTP, you can directly write the path and then the link is created inside your website pages. So this is internal link. Anchors are links to section within the same page. This can also be created by using anchor tag. Okay, anchor tag is there to create a link for what? Within the same page. If the same page, in the same website, the same page you are making a link, then anchor tag, they refer to using number and symbol hash. Okay. Now we are coming to external links. External links are links outside your own website. Means you are taking some information from outside your website, not in your website. These links must always be absolute. An absolute link can include a protocol such as HTTP and domain name such as www.publishers.in and file name. Okay, these things are compulsory. I am underlining. Protocol such as HTTP, domain name such as www.publisher.in and a file name. Each directory in an absolute link is separated by a slash symbol. Okay, remember this one. Slash symbol is necessary. Okay, these are separated by a slash symbol. Okay, so this is external link where you are making a links outside your website. Clear? For example, we can see it. Creating a link PMP to home page. So href, okay, h reference, http www.pmpublisher.in. This is created in your anchor and you have written a message. Click here to visit PMP homepage. Now understand it. A stands for anchor. It begins the link to the anchor page. Okay, it begins a link to the anchor page. Now href hypertext reference. This is where link will take you. So this is written for taking you to the link. Now http webpublisher.in is the full address of the link. Note that the address has an equal to sign in front of it and is enclosed in inverted commas. Okay, so remember this thing. Okay, there is a equals to sign. Okay. When it reads, click here to visit PMP homepage is where you write the text you want to appear on the page. Whatever text you want to appear on the page. Right here it is, you can click here to visit PMP homepage. You can, instead of this, like, you can write instead of this, click here to visit the next page. Click here to visit on the image or in of the information or description of the page. So any message you can write. Whatever is written in that space will appear on the page for the viewer to click. So write something that denotes the link. And now backslash A.
Anybody?
So something that denotes the link, and next backslash A ends the entire link command. Okay, this ends your command. So here what will appear on the page using the command above. If you have used this, then let's see what happened. Click here to visit the PMP page. Now without clicking, simply place your mouse on the pointer on the words. Okay, or here you will see the address of the link you created come up along the bottom of the browser. When you take the cursor to this line, automatically it will show the address, okay, the bottom side of the browser window. Now creating text link. You can create text link of another website in your web page. The text link will appear colored and underlined. Okay, so type the text you want to a reader to select in order to display the another web page. Type AHREF front of the text, replacing question mark with the address of the web, and then backslash A. See here it is written AHREF http pcworld.com. Click here for more computer knowledge. Okay, click here for more computer knowledge. So this is stated as and it will show in your browser. See here, you can see click here for more computer knowledge written over here. So here is your link. When you click on this, you will jump to the website. The text line displays the appear and colored underline in the web browser. When you place the mouse pointer on the linked web address displays in the status bar. When the visitor selects the links on the link, specified website will open. Clear? So creating link to an image. So this is for creating text link. Now we come to creating image link. How will you create an image link? Okay. So creating a link to an image, you can create a link to an image so that you can click on that image to display the link. You can also create a link that can take visitors to an image. You have created a link. If the visitor will click that link, the visitor will get an image. He comes on a page where the image was there or you have inserted. So this is helpful in case you wish to display a large number of images on your web page. But putting a large number of images on a single web page will increase its opening time. It will take more time to open. So that in case we display smaller versions of images and create hyperlinks of larger version of each page. So if a person wishes to see any image, he can see its larger version by simply clicking on it. Okay. Let's see how an image is created. So type the text or add the image you want visitor to select to display the linked image. Center img src computer.jpg and center. Okay. So let's see here. Here it has been created a link. Center ahref equals to pcworld.com, then image src equals to computer.jpg, anchor close. Here this have been done. Let's see what happens if it does this. Okay. Change center. After center, we are using a href, a space, then href equals to double inverted comma http colon forward slash www.pcworldworld.com, then img src equals to double inverted comma computer, what it is written in your book, world.com, then image src equals to computer.jpg. okay, computer.jpg. Instead of computer.jpg, because it is in your book, I will choose what picture does I have in my PC, because I have to make that image as a link. Okay, so I am taking 1355713 underscore f520 dot webp. okay, I have taken this one, then control S. Let's see, does it create any changes or not. Now see, I already had used these pictures. Here the picture of a child. Now I have made this picture as an image link. I am going to this picture, the cursor doesn't changes, but if I am going here, see, it has changed in what? Pointing head. See, cursor is here. I think you are understanding. Here nothing has been changed, but when we have created a photo as a link, then click, because I have created a link, click on this, and then you will reach to the page you want, means where you have made the link. See, pcworld.com, there is no internet connection, that's why it is not opening. Otherwise you just what, reach to your destination page, www.pcworld.com. I hope it is clear to you. How will you create a link? So you have made an image as a link. When you are clicking on that image, you are reaching to your destination. Clear? I think why it's not working, let me see. No internet found. Okay, there's no internet. Okay, so whatever the reason, but you have got how you will create a link for a image. So remember this, ahref http name, where you want to just take your means page you want to open, write that destination, then image src, which image you wants to make a link, write the name of the image or path. If you don't have the name, means the picture is not in your folder, then from where you are taking, write the path of that picture and name also and the extension also. Then you are going to make an image as a, or use as a link. I hope clear to you all. If you will practice these things, then you will be able to do these things more creative way. You can use different pictures, many pictures in your pages to create a link and just jump to the next page or a website. Clear all of you? Now we also see how we can create a text link also. If we have seen we can create an image link, then we can also create a text link. So let's see. Okay, we write here center. Then next, again using a anchor tag a href equals to double inverted comma, we will write http colon forward slash www.pcworld.com. okay, pcworld.com. Then close this bracket and we will write the message, click here for going to PC World. Okay, this is the message we will type, PC World, and close your anchor tag and center. Control S, open our browser. See, here you have created your image as a link, now text as a link. Click here for going to the PC World. Okay, you can see here the link has been created. So link is created, then click on that link, again a pointing hand. See, no internet is there, but again you reach to the pcworld.com. So very easy, you can create your links and jump to the destination where you want. I hope clear to you all. Coming back to the textbook. So now these two things are clear to you all, how you will create a link with the text and with an image, and you can use these things in your web pages. Now you will see here, see, pcworld.com will appear like this. If I am having internet, then it definitely shows, but I am not connected with a net. Now link, a hypertext link is used to connect one document with another document file. Remember these things. Broken links are what? The links that do not work because the destination has been deleted. If you delete the destination and only the picture name is there and that picture doesn't exist there, then it will call a broken link. See, the part has been changed. A hotspot, a defined area of on an image that act as a hyperlink, means that area which act as a hyperlink in a image is known as hotspot. I hope clear to you all. See, it's very interesting. If you will practice it, you will get ideas. You can make your page impressive, attractive by using these tags and different pictures. Now, creating an email link. How will you create an email link? Till now you have created a text link, then next you have also created an image link, means both are working. You have learned also how we will write the syntax of that. Now a new thing came, can you create an email link? Let's see. You can create a link that allows visitors to send you email message directly. When the visitor clicks on the email link, the default email program will open and display the email address you specified to ensure that message reaches the correct person. That means, when the visitor clicks on the email link, the link you have provided, the default email program which has been set by you will open and display your email address, and you specified, means you have given that email address, and the person will send the message and it will reach to the correct person. So an email link allows user to send queries and feedback that can help you improve your website. So type the text or email address you want the visitor to select, send you email. Okay. So you can see align center, mail us at this, and when a person click on this, what happens? It opens ahref malto mahindas this one at the gmail.com anchor A. What happens? See here, link created, mail us at this. When a person click that, the format of the email automatically opens, and here you can write and send the mail to the person, because the mail which is given is the correct one and person directly gets the message. When you send the email, it reaches to the correct person. Instead of that, what you have to do, you have to remember the email ID when you type it on the mail of yours. But here you are getting a link, you just click the link and the page opens in front of you, and you can easily write whatever contents you want to write in that and send mails to that person. So hope you have all got it. How will you create an email link? So let's see once again. So here I am going to write that thing. P align equals to center. Clear? Then mail us at mail us at, on which, like my mail, MISHRAATULAPS Mishra Atul APS @gmail.com. Okay, this is my email ID, and now I'm closing that P. Let's see it is created or not. So you are getting the examples also of real thing, means, and the same spot I am showing you the result also. So now you have to practice it. Okay. Oh, I have to open once again because I think it has been showing the PC world. Wait. The project where I have said, yes, this one. Mail us at. See this? I have created an email link. Mail us at. Okay. Now let's see, does it open also or not? I have clicked on this. It's not working. Why? Because it has came as a message. Okay. It has came as a message because we have not created any link. What we have to do in this? What is missing here? I hope you all know AHREF. If you doesn't write this thing, then how a system or a web page understand that we have created a link over that? So then you click on this, and what you will write? Mail us at. Okay. So inverted comma you write it, mail us at, whatever you want to write in this. Mail us at this message, where MISHRAATULAPS @gmail.com. Okay, this I have created, and now here I have to close my anchor tag before P. See, now A, and Control S. Now see it has changed the color. So when you have just written your mail as a statement, it was in a red, but when you have made it as a link, it changes to the blue color. So remember this one also, and now I'm clicking. Your file couldn't be accessed because there is no net, so it will not be opened, but you try at home. Okay, very interesting part. Now coming to the textbook. The next interesting topic is tables. Okay, which we'll be studying in next class. Here you will be able to see how you can insert table in your web page with different tags. Okay, create a tables, invoice also. These things you will learn in your next class, but whatever things you have learned till now, it's a request, please practice it. Please do it on your notepad, then only you will be remembering it, and it is very interesting. Try new things. Diwali vacation is there, okay, which has been passed away. Then you can make on Diwali also the coming vacations, like Chhat Puja, Christmas. You can just make a page on that topic also. On coronavirus you can make a web page. So just try new ideas to make your web page. Okay, I hope you all are getting it. Thank you.